This is yesterday's question. We have height and width, and the ratio is 3 to 4. Height, width, 3 to 4. We know height is 60 centimeters. To get 3 to 60, I multiply by 20. This side is the same. Multiply 20. So the width got 80 centimeters. So the width is 80 centimeters. Another part is the same. Is height, width, ratio 3 to 4. So we know width is 120 centimeters. From 4 to get 120, I multiply by 30. And this side is the same. Multiple by 30. 3 times 30 is 90. So the height is 90 centimeters. Today, we learn using place of value. I can easily work out the answer 26 times 32 by doing multiplication like this. The answer I can get 832. Can I use it to help me do questions like this one? The answer is yes. This number is the same this number. This number is 10 times larger than this number. So the answer must be 10 times bigger. Will be 8,320. I can check my answer. This number surrounding 300, this number nearly 30. The answer will be 9,000. Close this answer. So the answer must be right. I can use the same method doing this question. This number 10 times bigger than this number. This number 10 times bigger than this number. So the answer must be 100 times than this answer. That will be 83,200. I can check my answer surrounding this number to 300, this number to 300. 300 times 300 is 90,000. Is I can get using this digit. Look at this question. This this number is 10 times smaller than this number. This number is the same. The answer must 10 times smaller than this answer. The answer will be 83.2. I can quick check my answer. Rounding this number to 3. This number is 30. 3 times 30 is 90. So is close to 83.2 are using this digit. Look at this question. This number 10 times smaller than this number. This number 10 times smaller than this number. So 10 times 10 is 100. So the answer must smaller 100 than this number. The answer will be 8.32. I can quick check my answer. Around this number is 3. This number is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. This is I can get close the number, use this digit. So the answer must be right. Look at this question. This number smaller than this number is 10 times. This number bigger than this number is 10 times. Overall is no change. So the answer will be 832. I can quick check my answer. Around this is 3. This is 300. 3 times 300 is 900. This is I can go to the number close this number using this digit. Look at this question. 26 multiplied by 32 is 832. So 832 divided by 32 must be 26. Look at this question. 832 divided by 3.2. This number smaller than this number. This means this number is more in this number. So the answer will be 260. I can quick check my answer. This around 800 divided by 3. It gives to me 200 something. It's confirmed this answer is right. Use this digit. Here's homework for you and me. See you next time.